Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to dive deep into the world of data science and programming. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of installing Anaconda, a powerful distribution that comes bundled with Python and essential data science libraries. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Anaconda up and running on your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and head over to the official Anaconda website. Step 2. On the Anaconda website, navigate to the Downloads section and choose the appropriate installer for your operating system. Anaconda provides versions for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Step 3. Once the download is complete, locate the Anaconda installer file in your computer's Downloads folder. Step 4. Double-click on the installer file to start the Anaconda installation process. Step 5. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. Follow the instructions and click Next to proceed with the default settings. Step 6. Read the license agreement carefully, and if you agree, select the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Then click Next to continue. Step 7. Choose the installation location for Anaconda. The default location is usually recommended, but you can customize it if needed. Click Next when you're ready. Step 8. On the next screen, you'll be asked whether you want to add Anaconda to your system path environment variable. We recommend selecting the checkbox to ensure you can use Anaconda from any command prompt or terminal window. Then click Install to proceed. Step 9. Sit back and relax as Anaconda is installed on your computer. This may take a few moments. Step 10. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations, you now have Anaconda installed. Step 11. To verify the installation, open the Anaconda Navigator or launch Anaconda prompt from the Start menu. These are convenient tools that come bundled with Anaconda and provide an easy way to manage your Python environments and packages. That's it. You've successfully installed Anaconda on your computer. Now you have a powerful platform to explore data science, machine learning, and much more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides.